Hi, I'm Suzanne Pearson, manager at the Center for Sleep Medicine at the Valley Hospital.
Hi, my name is Kenneth Antigua. I'm the clinical supervisor for the Center for Sleep Disorders at the Valley Hospital.
And we're here to discuss one of our types of home sleep apnea testing. It's a direct ship model to your home, so you do not have to come to the lab to pick it up if your doctor would like you to have diagnostic testing.
The device is sent in conjunction with a company that uses direct ship to coordinate with the patient, where they can ship the device, obtain email from the patient so they can maintain communication with the patient, so they can ensure that the patient receives the device in a relatively short time frame. And Suzanne will now go over what this device generally does for testing.
This device was brought to Valley by one of our cardiologists. It's the only device on the market that records your heart rate and rhythm for the entire night. So it's beneficial for both sleep and for cardiology. The device is very easy to use. We will ship it to you as soon as you consent. So we'll send you an electronic consent. Once it's signed, we'll get that back automatically, and you'll be contacted just to verify your address and make sure that you are available to do the test the night that you receive it in the mail. This device is very easy to use. It is a single point of contact device. There's a peelable sticker, and it just goes on your chest. There is a button that you have to turn it on. And then once the study's over in the morning, at least 6 hours of recording time, not necessarily sleep time, it will come off, go back in the box, and get shipped back to the company.
When you end the study in the morning and you have to ship the device back, that doesn't mean that it's going to take until that device is received by the company for us to be able to get the results. If you have cellular service, the device will automatically upload the data to the provider, and then we in turn are able to review the sleep studies, generate the reports, review all the data, and send it off to the doctor so that a patient can obtain their results within 2 weeks.
After the 2 weeks, we just ask that you follow up with your doctor to go over the results and get any treatment if needed.
For more information about sleep disorders and our sleep center, please visit the website.